welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex and today we have here Louis Vuitton unboxing. Please consider to subscribe to my channel if you like videos about luxury shopping, unboxing, reviews, comparisons, even travel and more. So today one of this Louis Vuitton video. Recently I do have a lot of Louis Vuitton videos. I got a lot of bag during the last 2 months. And today I'm here in Orlando, so I'm traveling from New York for a couple of days and staying next to this huge mall, like the mall at Millenia, and that mall is like luxury destination for Orlando, I guess, for all of the like Central Florida. And today I have yesterday I got this beautiful bag, and this is Felicie Pochette. So I got it in a leather, and you will see the color and everything right now. So this is its usual thing, the envelope that with receipt and all the information. Also the good thing about that, I got it here, not in New York, because the sale tax here in Florida is a little bit less than in New York. It's like around 6 or 7 here, and we have 8.85%. So I saved on this bag for like $40 because I got it here, so good thing. And let's take a look for this beautiful bag. Okay, so it comes in this bag like this, usual thing for Louis Vuitton, the orange bag with flip, like magnetic kind of bag box. Okay, so the blue ribbon where it says Louis Vuitton like everywhere, and inside this dust bag, the classy Louis Vuitton dust bag with really soft material here. And so it says here some details about this Pochette, Vuitton Felicie, and I don't know what else, all these letters mean. So inside it's like this. I so much like it because I wanted red one for a while now, and I looked in all the Louis Vuitton stores we have in Manhattan in New York, and none of them has it. Even when you try to check online, it's always like unavailable, please call and stuff like that. But there is no stores around me that have it. So I stepped by the store here in Millenia, and they had it. So I was surprised because it's like the only one store here in Orlando, as I believe. At least I didn't see any other on Google Map. So, and they have it. So this is ridiculous that one store has it, and so like about 7 stores in Manhattan, none of them. I'm so happy about it. Okay, so let's take a look like how it looks first. So it's kind of small size, as you can see, but it's not supposed to be. It's kind of like wallet and chain, because I really wanted to buy wallet and chain from Chanel, and the only one they had was lambskin, and I want so much grand leather. So I kind of have to wait for this, and then I step by Louis Vuitton just to see for Kirigami if they have like any something else except for the monogram, but they didn't. And then I asked about Pochette Felicie, and they told me yes, they do. They actually have like in a tan, they have black, they have this blue and like red on the corners, like all of them. Okay, so it opens like this. It's not magnetic. No, it's not magnetic. It's just like this. So there is no pockets on the other side, unfortunately, but the quality is actually very good. I mean, not quality like leather. It's not gonna be like need to be carried so much, because it's kind of like a grained one from Chanel. That's why I want grained wallet and chain, not like lambskin. And this one is something similar, so I don't think it's gonna be any much care for this one. So the one thing I like as well, because this chain is detachable. You can just take it away and use for anything else, and I do really want to use it for my pouch 20 toiletry pouch 26 that I converted to the bag, and this would be just perfect. I mean, small one, not like too big or something, because the one I had from Amazon, it's super heavy, and this one is really nice, and I like that I can use it both way. Okay, so as you know, inside it goes with 2 pouches. I mean, the card holder, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots here, and 1 big slot here, and inside it's all leather, which is really good. I mean, it's good, but probably it's gonna be some scratches. If it's gonna be scratches, that you can see them really easily. That's why here is like canvas, and I like it because this case you can just clean it with some I don't know, baby wipes or something. And this one is also like a little pouch here, and I so much like this red, and it's LV over here, and I so much like how it's made. And inside this pouch is also leather, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris over here and nothing else. So it's like 1 pocket here, and it's leather over, just like this one. They both similar. I don't think I'm gonna really use them inside this pochette because it's quite small, and if I put both of these pouches inside, it's gonna be like no space left. Okay, so inside is like this. Okay, so my phone is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's like the big one, and it goes really smoothly inside. One sec, like this. It really takes a lot of space here, especially in the case, but it really fits well. I guess I even can put it over here in a second. It's really small, the second one, but it's fit my phone just perfect. And I have some space left over here for my cards and something like that, so probably it's a good idea to use it this way. And what else? Inside, it's all canvas inside. It's like no leather inside or something. It's canvas, and also what it says here, over here, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, Paris made in Italy. So this piece made in Italy, and inside I have few little things as well. The price and the tag, and also it's co-hide leather textile interior lining here, it says. And this one is the price tag. So this one is cost $1,370, and likely, I mean, I was likely enough to get it without any increases prices. I mean, it was increased. I don't know if it was increased for this specific item, but recently they increased prices for like Nana items, niece items, because I have like niece small, and it's right now like $1,000 40 something, or like $1,000 20 something, because I got it for $945 like 2 months ago. And I actually checked with store associate, and she told me this item wasn't increased this time. It was only for monogram items. So I am super happy that I got it without any increased price. All right, so let me make some shots how it looks. Well, this is how it looks on me, and I guess the length of this gold chain is a little bit longer than I would like to wear, but it looks nice when you just wear it like a crossbody like this, and the size looks very cool as well. I mean, I'm not really dressed to wear it right now. It doesn't look super good, but I so much like how it looks. I mean, I so much like all this red color, and you can actually wear it like a clutch, for example, because since it's detachable chain, so it's not a problem. But I don't wear clutches, so I'm gonna use it like a crossbody. It's like the usual stuff for me. I always wear all my bags like a crossbody. I'm not really comfortable with any other styles. So, but the size is really nice, as you can see, and the gold chain looks very nice on contrast with this red bag. And then you wear it like a shoulder bag, like this. It's a little bit longer, as you can see, and considering I'm small, like 5'1", 5'2", it's should be okay for like whoever is taller than me. It should be like much better, but if you like it to be longer, it's totally cool to wear it like this. I don't really wear it this way. It's not really comfortable for me, but anyway. Alright, I guess this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video and unboxing this amazing and beautiful Pochette Felice with me, and I'll see you shortly with more videos. I have coming up some videos from Gucci, Versace and Prada, so stay tuned. Thank you.